Hi everyone, this is Burak from Trading Channels. Let me show you our disclaimer, and then I'll start talking about the forex pairs. This is Euro US dollar. This is a daily chart which shows our long-term view, and the green one, which is a huge bull flag. Starting from the top of the 2008, when it hit around 1.25, just at the recent high, it was also testing the blue support that had broken down back in 2014. It was the back test of it. The green internal resistance, as you can see here, and also the orange top band, which is also the channel that's been going on since the bottom at the beginning of 2017. So this is why euro, in my opinion, reversed at the recent high. Of course, it has more to go all the way to the green top band, but perhaps we may see now a considerable pullback before that happens. And obviously the critical supports are the red one and the orange ones. And if the orange channel is our channel, then there may be one more surge to test the orange top band, but I think there is a good chance that we're seeing the formation of a top before it comes down. The only way to be sure is to see that the euro breaks down first the red internal support, and then ultimately the very bottom red support. And if that happens, I think euro will come down all the way to backtest the blue broken bull flag, and probably to the bottom band of the orange channel. And this is pound. As you can see, the breakup of the orange long-term resistance. That's why we actually went wildly bullish there. Especially the backtest was quite accurate, and the ultimate target is the Brexit sell-off, so that's 1.50, but for that maybe we'll see some pullback and then go all the way to the red top band, one more down, and ultimately we should see this high here at the beginning of the Brexit sell-off to be recovered all the way, because that's why cable basically broke up this resistance. And short term we may be seeing signs of the starting of a pullback, and that's the green channel, which is now breaking down. So if it does happen, and if it does break down the bottom band properly, then we should be coming down to form a nice declining channel. I don't know where it can go, but I would be very eagerly watching it, and then we'll see when it reverses, when it bounces and bottoms out again, and then goes all the way to the top band of the red channel. I would like to make a remark on the gold trade, and that's a very, very important resistance broken up recently, and that's the orange and the blue long-term resistances. This channel, although the bottom band is not super accurate because of this wick here, the top band is very accurate, and the blue resistance is clearly getting hit for the fourth time, and I think it will break up. And more importantly, the silver has already broken the red channel, which is also its very long-term declining channel, the downtrend from the 2011 top. And while it is doing that, it's also broken up the green bull flag. Backtested it twice, and it kept on going and broke up the blue bull flag, which is also another large bull flag, the green one, and now it's kind of struggling to break the orange resistance, but I think it will eventually break it up and head higher to 1900, 1850 and 1900. More importantly here, there's also a very long-term support that's also held, so that's, you know, this was a very clear support. This one here, the big wick, doesn't exist on the spot market. This is the futures market. Somehow this week didn't exist for some of the brokers, so I don't know if my broker made a mistake, but it's clearly a very big support, and the same support existed for the gold as well, which is this one here. At the recent bottom, you can see this was supporting. So I'm thinking long precious metals. And here is the S&P 500. The red channel was quite accurate up until last low, which kind of broke it down, but then the red internal support held it, and now the red top band is breaking up at the fourth hit. So 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one is breaking up, and the imminent target is obviously the blue top band. And Dow Jones actually, as usual, is leading the way, and it broke up the obvious blue resistance, which was tested maybe 5-6 times. Actually, if you count this one, it's even more accurate, and the obvious move can be here, back test of the blue and then going all the way up to the green top band. And let's talk about FTSE. And this is the red bull flag in the making. Actually, it's already been made. The recent low was the double support of the blue channel's bottom band and the red one, and now the red bull flag is going to break up, I think, and that's why maybe small pullback here and then break all the way up to the blue top band. DAX trade, this was the chart of the day. This is an hourly chart. It came all the way down to form the red channel, and it found the red channel pretty accurately, but it was also testing the blue bottom support and the green broken resistance back test. So this was fairly obvious trade. Quite an obvious trade, and now it's gone down. Maybe we back test the blue resistance rail, a support rail, and then we head all the way up there. Actually, that's all for tonight. Thank you very much. Happy trading, and have a good week. Bye bye.